everyone, welcome back to the Grill Guru. They've got something new. Let's go, let's go. It's just oozing down, it's just oozing down. Oh.
New on the menu this time is Espetada. It's like one of my favorite things. If you've never seen one, keep watching.
We got the spear. I think it's called Espetada stick. And some beautiful looking beef. Is this beef?
Yeah.
Oh wow. And a little corn. Look at that sauce that it's in. It's been marinating. Oh, and some onion. That looks like a mushroom. Oh, sweet. Another mushroom on the bottom. Oh wow. And there we are. Expertly done. Oh, okay, stand on the plate on it and then it just hooks up. Oh wow, look at the juices dripping off that. Oh, just grilling up a little bit and marinated. Oh man. Salad assembly. Got some bread toasting.
Yeah, garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Yeah, you can see her putting the garlic butter on. Oh wow, that's loads of garlic butter. You can see how it's melting in. Espetada still grilling away. Oh, so garlicky. Oh, and here come the fries. Here it comes, here it comes. Wow. Salad dressing, green herb sauce. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. Thank you guys. You're gonna be so proud of your creation.
Oh my word, look at that. What is that? What have you been up to in the kitchen? Oh wow.
That's an Espetada.
Wow, look at this. With the creator and the Ricky. The one who's gonna eat it all.
It looks amazing. It's bigger than my head.
It is. Oh man.
Juicy close-ups. Corn.
Onions,
Mushrooms.
courgette, and then you get the garlic bread.
Oh, and that garlic bread
And
smells
we love putting
amazing.
the balsamic vinegar reduction on the salad, plus a bit of chips.
Can you ever?
Chips. Nice, eh?
We got the beef one, but it comes in chicken and lamb, and there's a new one coming, which is chicken and calamari.
Wow, can you imagine that?
We're gonna try the beef.
Now do you pour this over it?
Take this.
Oh no
Into
way!
the top.
It's just oozing down. It's just oozing down. Oh wow! Oh man!
There you go. And it slowly comes down.
Slow ooze video. Ooh. You sort of want to take it off and out.
Kind of do close up. And we're doing like that.
Not bad, eh?
Oh wow! This is why we love coming to Grill Guru. Oh, the food is great, but Stephen making TikToks is hilarious.
Skippy fries.
Skippy fries. Oh, but I want to dip it on the top
Yeah, you can.
because I've got top dipper.
I can give you more sauce if you need.
Oh man!
Probably, Stephen. We only come here for the pepper sauce.
Yeah. Do you want the pepper sauce or do you want this sauce?
Pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce, pepper sauce.
We only come for the pepper sauce, but this is a great sauce. It's going to go so good with the steak.
But always ask Stephen if he can just have some of this pepper sauce.
Totally worth it.
He's super cool. That's why we love owner-run business.
Absolutely.
So grab that mushroom.
What mushroom? Where's my steak? Where's my steak?
And the meat.
Oh wait. Thank you.
There's your pepper sauce.
I got the pepper sauce. And you know why we come here? Because it has the scoop. And you know what that means? Gravy train. Oh wow, it's hot.
Don't tell the ANC.
Oh. Love the pepper sauce. I'm actually going to dip a steak in it.
Go for it.
I came for the steak. Oh. Came off relatively easy. Now Ricky will break things apart for you because I dip and eat. So technically you're supposed to dip in the top here. So it keeps oozing. I don't know if that's oozing. So keep it oozing with your steak. And just take a bite.
Man, this is torture.
Oh, this is Ricky food. Exactly how she likes it. Perfectly cooked. Oh, wow. This is a good steak. And the whole experience is the fun bit.
It is.
But what's even better is it tastes good as well.
And especially eating like an espetada in a food court.
It's an espetada in a food court.
Because everyone is like, what is that?
I know, and it's like so tall. It's like vertical food. Well, anyway, garlic bread with steak.
Oh, that garlic bread looks good.
It's so garlicky. Oh wow. Look at how much garlic butter is on that.
Perfect amount.
Oh man. But like perfectly cooked steak, soft, juicy. I think it's probably rum. Because it's full flavored, full flavored.
Throw some salad.
Salad. Oh man, look how far away I have to be. It's so big. Oh, you can see her eyes through there. Come here.
Pepper sauce, right? Skippy chip.
No way. Oh, you stole my mushroom. I was supposed to eat that.
There's another one.
How's the flavor on the mushroom? It's because all the juices drip down onto it.
And that was the fresh mushroom.
Proper fresh mushroom, never tinned. But I love the whole concept because it just drips down. Everything from the top down.
It's wonderful.
But you got to try that steak.
Oh man. Gorgeous proper steaks. Oh, if you eat meat, you're just dying right now.
Proper beef.
Oh wow. Such intense beef flavor. I love real steak. Love it, love it, love it. It's like not fake stuff. Real meaty steak.
Real meat. Ricky likes real meat. Beef particularly. Sense it, sense it.
Actually, this green sauce is really nice. It's like a coriander and a little bit of sweetness. I think maybe some yogurt or something. It's absolutely delicious. Like a little bit of immersion twist on essentially, I think they're Portuguese espetada.
Espetada is Portuguese.
Really, this really goes well.
Immersion flair on Portuguese.
Bit of mint maybe.
Ricky made it to some salad. That's a roasted onion.
Ooh, lovely. He did give us an apple fork.
Ricky doesn't know how to use that. Messy fingers. Cucumber, I haven't actually tried it.
Is it cucumber or marrow? I think
I think it's a marrow. Oh, but it is nice. I do like it. A little bit of onion. I'm going to take a piece of bread, right, garlic bread, and you get all the meat drippings. Because it's all just dripping down here.
I think that's fundamentally important to espetada
It's the salad drippings. I was thinking next time I'm just going to put the bread under.
Yeah.
So all the drippings fall onto the bread. Now, this is a tricky way. Ricky tricked them. Ricky told them to put the salad. Put the salad on.
The salad.
So I have to eat the salad.
Exactly.
But there we are. But meat dripping salad on garlic bread.
Yeah, it's a good way to eat salad.
Oh.
Oh man. Juicy. gorgeous pull apart meatiness.
Oh wow! World's smallest corn cob. Rikyo shows how to eat it.
Good.
She's gonna pop it in her mouth, right? Oh, brilliant, Rick. Must always order 2 of these. Take it off, Rick. And you know why? Let me show you. On guard! That's why you get 2.
I know it comes to Grill Guru a lot, but they keep adding new things to the menu and we just have to try them.
Wow, Grill Guru delivering again. Horizontally this time, or vertically. Anyway, see you guys again next time.